Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is video 7 of Altcoin watchlist series. I hope you are finding these videos valuable and enjoying them. If you're joining me for the first time, welcome to Bitcoingem community. Do subscribe to the channel. So let us begin with today's video. Today we are going to look into one altcoin. I had first shared this altcoin last year on 11th March 2021. It was a small cap then at $2.5 million market cap, and it did pretty well in the last bull market. And again, we are going to look into today. We'll see all the tokenomics and market cap at the later stage. So this is Etho protocol. Now, what is Etho? Etho protocol is freedom of data. Blockchains need built-in storage to be truly decentralized. So your smart contracts and all the critical data that you want. If you believe that every decentralized app, every decentralized website should have a decentralized data storage, then Etho protocol is one play that you should look into. So we forked Ethereum to upgrade it by adding a storage layer. The result is a dependable and fully decentralized platform that's true freedom of data. Any program or service running with smart contracts can now directly interact with the stored data instead of just referencing it somewhere else. So these are certain features of Etho. Instant Ethereum portability because it's fully compatible with EVM. No need to rewrite your smart contracts on-chain IPFS storage layer. You can mint NFTs, you can make a marketplace, you can store NFTs, you can do a lot of stuff on Ether. So store and host your data or develop and deliver your applications, your websites, mint your NFTs, store your NFTs, trade your NFTs. We look into one video about Ether, which I think will give us a lot of clarity of what this project is all about.
Protocol from Welcome to the Etho protocol. From phones to televisions to the internet as we know it now, the way we communicate, share, and store information has evolved at an amazing rate. People are now more connected than any other point in history. Unfortunately, the most common modern communication tool, the internet, is inherently flawed. Currently, our data, files, and even websites are stored in centralized locations. Every time you visit a website, download a photo, or download a file, you connect to a centralized location through a centralized web hosting service. What happens when the connection to that location is disrupted? The information can no longer be accessed. What happens when a dishonest character, web host, or government decides to filter information, or even send you false information? This is called mutability, and centralization makes mutability an unfortunate reality. So, what's the solution? A decentralized, immutable world. A world made possible by the Etho protocol. The Etho protocol networks seek to connect all computing devices with the same system of files. A file uploaded on one side of the world can be accessed on the other. No filters, no censoring. Just you connecting to your neighbor's computer and their neighbor's computer, creating a truly decentralized global content delivery system. Deploying dApps or decentralized apps will be very similar to uploading content to your current host. The major difference, they will be available anywhere with the same immutability as the rest of the network. The Etho protocol network is supported by miners, service nodes, master nodes, and gateway nodes, all contributing computing powers, consensus, and decentralization. In return, their owners are rewarded with a digital currency called Etho. This currency encourages users to contribute to the network. By running a service node, master node, gateway node, Or by simply mining from a personal computer, users can earn ETHO without moving a finger. ETHO can be used just like any other currency, and the proof of work consensus behind it verifies all transactions on the network and guarantees security. The best part about it? Anyone can start supporting the network and earning ETHO today. Visit ethoprotocol.com for more information. ETHO
So that was a brief video about Etho, and I'm sure it gave a lot of clarity on what it is. To know more, visit their website. I've always said, and I'm telling you again, every altcoin that I'm sharing in this altcoin videos, altcoin watchlist videos, these are not investment advice, and please do not buy them right away. I am just sharing some interesting projects that I find which should be on your radar. So you don't need to buy them. A lot of altcoins that I share might not become that big or might even go to zero. I don't know. So please do your research. Go and visit their website, follow them on Twitter, talk to them on Telegram, and after doing your research, if you find them interesting, you can start building your positions. That's what I would suggest. Again, I'm not an advisor, so please do your research. It's your money at the end of the day. So if you look at Etho's current market cap, now this is a very small market cap today. In the bull market, it went up till 30 cents, approx 30 cents, I guess. Yeah, it went up till 30 cents in the bull market. We entered at around $2.5 million last year. Current market cap is again very same at around 2.7. But it went down a lot in the last month, and then it had a massive pump. You can see over here, it was at 0.005, and from there it had a massive pump to almost 15 cents. That was almost 2600% pump in less than a month. So it's again come down heavily, it's correcting nicely. And this is what you have to realize, guys, when you are buying and trading small caps. They can have massive volatility on both sides. It can go up massively, it can come down also massively. So if you are not prepared for it, do not trade into small caps because they will be volatile. You have to understand that they are small caps, so a very limited amount of liquidity can move prices in both directions. So please do that. Please understand that. Do not just blindly go with 100x expectations if you are not prepared to see 90%, 80% swings in the opposite direction also. So when an altcoin can pump hard, it can also dump hard. So do that. So the reason of this project in this video in altcoin watch list is if because we are building a decentralized internet and we will need decentralized solutions. So a lot of applications, a lot of DeFi apps, a lot of websites today which are so-called decentralized, but they are still hosted on centralized servers. So, a truly decentralized internet, a truly decentralized finance, a truly decentralized Web3 will need decentralized storage layer. And Etho is one, it's interesting. So, have a look. Since it's a fork of Ethereum, it's more secure in my opinion. It still uses proof of work. So, security and decentralization is there. When I shared last year, I remember few people who had immediately joined the network. They started as a node providers and they were earning ethos. So it's not just you can buy. If you know how to provide a node or if you know how to mine, you can also earn etho. You can visit their website and see what all things you would require to be a node provider or a node operator. So you can protect network in a lot of ways. Similarly, you can earn ETH in a lot of ways. The purpose of me making these videos is completely from an investment perspective, where we are finding our next 10x 100x gems. So at a $2.7 million market cap, if you see a potential where this can go to even one tenth of what Filecoin is today, which is at approx 3-4 billion dollars. I don't know its current market cap, but let's see what is Filecoin today. So Filecoin today is at around $1.5 billion market cap, and it is down at 96%. So at one point, it was almost more than 10 or $15 billion market cap, and in that comparison, Etho is just 2.7. So if you think even it goes to one tenth of what Filecoin achieved, then it can be in billions. So this is a 100x or even a 1000x play if it clicks. So that is a big if. And hence it should be on your radar for sure. If you find this interesting, you can always do your investments. So currently it is pumped nicely, but it's still overall bearish or down and in an accumulation zone. Same with ETH BTC. It pumped heavily in this Bitcoin pair, and it's currently now in a correction. But overall, I think it's a very, very risky play, high risk, high reward play. So with that, it's certainly a very interesting and a good project in my opinion. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you for the next video. I'm going to bring a lot of good altcoin projects in my opinion, which should be on your radar. Take care, guys. Bye bye.